They say there is a number one side hustle for students in 2025. But I'm not just here to tell you about it. I'm going to show you how to start your own print-on-demand business using Printify and AI. No inventory, no shipping, and no design skills. And don't worry about copyrights because I'm going to take you through how you can bypass it. By the end of this video, you have your first product design using AI. And the design will be on a merch connected to a store and ready to promote. What is Printify? Printify is a free print-on-demand platform that lets you create and sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, and more. When someone buys, Printify prints, ships, and fulfills the order for you. And all you can do is that you get to keep the profit when someone makes an order. And so you don't need to do the hard work. Printify does it all for you. To do this, we first need to set up our Printify account. I'll leave a link in the description to Printify. Once you click on that link, it will take you to printify.com. All you can do is click on sign up for free and create an account. No credit card needed, no hidden fees, just enter your details and then you are inside Printify. The next thing we want to do is to find a profitable niche that we can make consistent sales with it using print on demand. Before you start designing, you need to choose or select a niche, but there is a rule. And that rule is to stay away from anything copyrighted. What I mean is no Disney, Marvel, team logos or celebrity faces on these designs that we want to put on the print on demand website, else you'll be copyrighted. Instead, we can basically focus on evergreen niches like motivational quotes, pet lovers, hobbies, minimalistic art, and patterns. If you are lost, you can simply go on to ChatGPT and ask it for design inspirations, or you can head on to websites and find design inspirations as to how to choose a niche or make your designs with AI. Now, let's move on to creating AI designs. You don't need to hire a designer like the olden days where there were no AI tools available. You can create an original artwork for yourself with the right prompting using these free, simple AI tools. Okay, so to start, we're going to go to ChatGPT and type in, I need niches for a t-shirt design. It's going to give me a bunch of niches right here, and I'll go on and type in I need styles for t-shirt design. It's going to give me a bunch of styles, vintage, typography, line art, and then I'm going to prompt it, do you know ideograms formula for creating t-shirt designs? It took 24 seconds and it says yes, I do. It's going to give you a bunch of prompt formulas that we can use on ideogram. Ideogram is a tool for creating t-shirt designs. From here, I'm going to prompt it. Now that we know ideogram's formula, pair each style with a niche at random and make a detailed AI prompt so that we can decide which niche and style we can stick with for our print-on-demand brand or business. After typing that in, it's going to give me a bunch of prompts that we can use to create t-shirt designs. And once we find the niche that we want, we might want to stick with it. Okay. I'm going to type in, can we do one for motivation? And you can see that it's giving me prompt for motivation, and we can copy it and put it on a tool called ideogram, which is an AI tool for designing t-shirt designs. Now, this is a general prompt. I'll leave it in the description. It's a general ideogram t-shirt prompt formula, and I'm going to leave it in the description, plus how to use this prompt as well. You can put this in ChatGPT and ask it to fill in the blank spaces so that you choose the one that best suits you. All right, so this is ideogram, and here when we select t-shirt, there's a bunch of t-shirt designs, and I'm going to show you how you can also make use of these designs to create your own designs without any copyright. Now, back to ChatGPT, I am going to copy this prompt right here that ChatGPT generated. You can adjust it to how you want it, all right? I'm going to come here and then paste it right here in ideogram. Then I'm going to click on generate. And by the way, I'll leave links in the description to all these AI tools or the tools I'll be using in the video, so it's very easy to find them. So after waiting for approximately 10 seconds, we got our first design, and this is it. No days off. It looks quite cool. I'm then going to go back and copy another prompt that we can use for our t-shirt design. So I'm going to copy this one, also click on copy, go back to ideogram, and then paste it right here in the prompt section, and then click on generate. After waiting for a while, we generated this t-shirt design. It looks kind of epic, and then you can select from these 4 variations that we have here. All right, so I'm going to generate another one as well. All right, and this one looks kind of cool because I like this one. It's nice, it's epic, and then we can choose from these 4 designs. Look at the next one. This is the 3rd one, and then this is the 4th design as well. So we can choose from any of these designs for our brand, if probably you are in the motivational niche. All right, to do this, you simply have to click on download, and we download our t-shirt design right here. Now, if you don't have ideas or you don't know what specific niche you should select, that is how I mostly do it. First of all, go to ideogram and select the t-shirt section. You're going to see a bunch of t-shirt designs that you can copy from. Now, I am going to look through and then select one of these designs that I like. I'm going to select this one. And right here, you could see that the magic prompt that they use to generate this type of design. I'm going to copy this prompt and send it to ChatGPT. And I'm going to ask ChatGPT that I'm going to give you a t-shirt prompt. I would want to stick to the same style but make different variations of the design using different objects. All right, so I'm going to just paste it in. So ChatGPT is asking me to paste in the t-shirt prompt, and right here I'm going to paste it in right here. Click on enter. Now it's going to give me a bunch of designs based on the specific prompts that I gave it. I'm going to copy this minimalistic sandmarks and then go back to ideogram. So I'm going to paste it right here and then click on generate. After waiting for a while, we were able to generate these designs and it looks kind of cool and epic. It will look very good on a black top, all right, on a black t-shirt. Okay, these are some of the designs that we generated. You can go on and generate more if you do want it. Let me go back to ChatGPT and generate another one. Copy and then paste it right here and click on generate. All right, so we generated this eagle design, which looks kind of epic right here. And so you can select from any of these designs that best suits you if you do like it. All right, I'm going to copy another prompt right here. The reason why I'm creating multiple designs is that you need to play around with these designs to find the one that best suits you. I'm going to click on generate right here, and I think I like this one. Okay, you can see that it's generating a t-shirt design similar to the one we copied, the prompt that we copied. All right, so this is it. You can select the one that best suits you. In this case, I'll stick to one of these designs so that I'll proceed with the video. I'm then going to download it right here by clicking on download. Right, this is the image after downloading, and here we can take out the background and upscale it. And the first thing we need to do is to upscale it. To upscale this, we are going to use a website called Krea.ai. It's free up to some point. And so you can then upscale your t-shirt design with Krea.ai. All right, so I'm then going to import the design into Krea. Select open and then ask it to enhance it. To enhance it, all you simply have to do is to click on enhance to enhance it. Once you're done enhancing and upscaling the t-shirt design, all you need to do is to click on download to download it. And this is the design after we upscaled it. Okay, the next thing we need to do is to take out the background of this design, and so I'm going to use a website right here. I'll leave it down in the description. You can click on the website. All right, from here we're going to select the two, and then we are going to click on add images. You can add multiple images by selecting add folder option, or you can add a single image by selecting add images. I'm going to select the design right here, and then I'm going to click on enter. It's going to import the design, and the AI tool right here is going to take out the background, and this takes out the background very well, unlike the other tools that I've seen. All right, so to do this, all you simply have to do is to click on process and download, and you can see that it did a very perfect job with taking out the background. So let's click on process and download to download this. And once you are done, you can see that we've taken out the background, and we have to upload the design onto Printify. Now let's head on to connecting Etsy to Printify to start selling our products. To start selling on Etsy, you first need to click on the link in the description to the Etsy website. Once you're on the page, scroll down to where it says sell on Etsy at the bottom of the page. Click on that one. It's going to take you to a page where you click on get started. You're going to sign up with your Gmail. I've already done that. Once you sign up, it's going to bring you to this page where you want to input your shop preferences, your shop name, how you get paid, you share your billing info, and then your shop security. It is quite simple to go through these stages, and then you're going to create it on your own. Once you are done, I'm then going to show you how to import the design onto Printify and then publish it. Once the designs are published, it is going to show on your Etsy store. To publish a design, we first need to connect Etsy to Printify. And to do this, head on to printify.com. Click on the store icon and you can click on add store. Right from here, you can select any of these stores. In this video, we are going to use Etsy to do this. So I'm going to select Etsy. In my case, I've already connected my store. If you have not connected your store, it'll ask you to sign up with the same Gmail that you used to sign up on Etsy. When you're done signing up, all you need to do is to click on grant access, and it is going to grant access and connect your store to Printify. From there, you might want to go on and publish your first product and then click on publish your product. From here, you're going to select browse products. In this case, we are using t-shirts, and so I'm going to select t-shirts right here. There are types of t-shirts that we can select. In this case, I'm going to select unisex heavy cotton tee, and this one looks kind of cool. So I selected that one, and you can see that there are a bunch of details about this type of t-shirt. You want to read through and see if it best suits your design. All right. There are print areas, USA colors, and a whole bunch of details here. Let's click on start designing to start designing this t-shirt. Now, this is a mock-up that we can design. I want to click on upload, click on my device, and select the image that we generated from ideogram. Remember, we took out the background, and this is the first design that we downloaded. I'm going to upload the second design as well. Once the design is imported, we can make a specific design for a white color, but then I'm then going to select black and then adjust this to fill the t-shirt. From here, you can select which side of the t-shirt that you want to upload another design. We have the back side, sleeve right, sleeve left, and the neck label inner. So you can then paste in any design you want. You can then go on and even create your own label and then put it at the back of the t-shirt. Because once you create your label and put it at the neck label inner position, it's going to add a little bit of authenticity to your t-shirt. We want to select variant, and that is where we select between size and color. In this case, we have our design to be white, and so I am going to uncheck the white t-shirt from it because we don't want any white t-shirt. So I'm going to click right here to uncheck it, and then you can go through any of these colors to check if they best suit your design. Okay, so from here, all we want to do is to click on save product because we don't have any other thing to do. It's going to take us to this page where we can add a product name, which is the t-shirt name, t-shirt description, and then AI is going to do everything for you. Okay, so the AI does everything for you. I'm going to save this image right here, and I'm going to show you why we saved it in a while. So AI is going to do all the listing and everything for you right here, so that the job doesn't become really hard. Okay, so I'm going to click on publish, and then when you head on to your Etsy store or shop, you're going to see this design right there with the mockups and everything there. The next thing we want to dive into is to use AI to create realistic people putting on the products. To create a realistic avatar wearing the t-shirt, all we need to do is to head on to clingai.com, and right from here we want to sign up. Once you are signed in, we have to select image right here, and from the image section, we want to go to virtual try-on generator. Once we click this, we're going to select AI virtual try-on, and then right here, we can then select default models right here. Most of the people are using them online. So what I did was I generated a prompt on ChatGPT and used an AI image generator to generate this handsome looking avatar. Or should I say model? Now I'm going to select upload, click on the upload model image, and then upload our model right here. Everything was done with AI. So I'm going to upload our model, and here I'm going to upload a garment. Remember that we saved an image of the t-shirt. So from here, I'm then going to select that t-shirt and import it into Cling AI. I'm then going to select generate. You can see that we have the t-shirt and then we have the model at the top. I'm going to click on generate, and I'm using all the tools for free in this video. So I'm going to click on generate and wait for a couple of minutes. And then after some minutes, you could see that the first outcome was something gibberish. And so the second one looks kind of cool and authentic. Now from here, I'm then going to select the second one, and you can see our model is wearing our t-shirt, which is kind of cool and authentic. I'm then going to select generate video, and it's going to generate a video of our model. And so what we need to do here is that we need to give it a right prompting. The AI tool does the prompting for you, but then I'm going to change it right here by typing in some few prompts, and then you can copy it as well. From here, I'm then going to set it to 5 seconds. You can either select the one that best suits you. Let me just click on generate, and I'm going to wait for a while for our model to finish generating. And you can see that the model is done, and from a picture to a video, you can see that the model is trying to showcase the dress, and we can download this image and upload it on TikTok just to promote this t-shirt that we generated. To download this, you can simply click on download to download it, and you can download it with an audio or without an audio. You do the one that best suits you. Okay, so that is it. This is the final result of the model. The last thing is to promote the products on social media platform. In this case, I'm going to select TikTok. Now, if you want to learn how to create a USA TikTok account, I'll leave the link in the description. You can create a USA TikTok account and start promoting your print on demand to customers or buyers in the USA, because that is where they make the most amount of purchases online, so that you can make money and scale up faster. Now, once you have your TikTok account created, all you have to do is to post the AI influencer putting on the product on these platforms. And consistency is key right here in posting. You need to post consistently to get to 1,000 followers before you can add your link in bio to your store. And then you can start making consistent sale. All that is left is to take action. I've left Printify in the description. You start today, follow the tutorial and design your first product. You might be surprised yourself how much money you're going to make with this as a student. All right, then. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and peace.